to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video, I want to share with you guys some beautiful budget find outfits that I found for summer and spring at Walmart. Walmart has really been stepping up their game on the outfits that they bring, and I've always been a Walmart shopper. I've always liked the certain brand, I can't remember their name right now, but there's a certain brand that I always buy over there that they always come out with the cutest things, so I've always been a Walmart shopper. But lately, their outfits are even better than before, and they kind of pair up to all the stuff that's in fashion right now. So I have found so many cute things for summer and spring that I purchased that I wanted to share with you guys. There's lots more out there that I want, but again, you gotta stop yourself. And so I wanted to share with you guys some of the cute finds that I found, some of the outfits that I found, and kind of how I pair it for work and then later on. I do work at a school, so I'm a teacher's aide, so I kind of like having outfits that I can wear to work, but then transition to use them in like the weekend, whenever I'm out with just friends and family, or even on a date night with the husband. So I'm going to share with you guys how I wear them and how I use them for basically day and night. So before I start the video showing you guys what I purchased at Walmart, I wanted to talk to you guys about the t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. This one says, "Mom life is the best life," and I actually got this shirt sent to me from a company out of California named Thread Tank. Basically, they make all these different type of tanks and t-shirts and even sweaters on their sites. They have all these cute sayings on it for moms. I think they're probably meant for men, but I saw a lot of things that were geared to mom. So they reached out to me and wanted to send me 2 of their t-shirts, and so that I can share them with you guys. And I looked on the website and they have the cutest and funniest sayings that they have, and there's so many different things that you can pick out of. The only one thing I would say is they had a lot of Navy moms and Navy wife, and I wish they had like Army wife or Army moms, because I am an Army wife. But I guess since it's out of California, it's more geared to like the Navy and stuff like that, because the Navy is there. But once you go on that website, any type of saying that you've heard or anything that you found funny or something that can relate to you, you could put on a t-shirt, and it's just so cute. And so what drove me to this company was I wanted a shirt that had to do with gymnastics sayings as well, because I'm a gymnastics mom. And so they had shirts for that as well. So the 2 that I picked is, for one, is this one I just showed you. It says, "Mom life is the best life," which I like this one. I will say I did ask them if their sizes are true to size, and they did say it is. And I do run between a small and a medium, and so I got a medium because I wasn't sure. The only thing I can say is that these t-shirts are a little bit more wider on this side, so this is more kind of actually like a t-shirt, not kind of like usually when I buy the ones I usually wear a lot of graphic tees that have sayings on them, because I just love them, and you guys have seen them in my videos. And they're more fitted, the ones that I get at Walmart. I kind of like those. But this one's a little bit more loose, which is kind of cool too, because what I do is I wear it tucked in the front, and then I kind of wear it out in the back. And I will show you in the video like how I wear it and how I paired it up with some Walmart jeans. But this was the first one I got. I love the color of this one. It feels really comfortable, really loose. I love it. The second one that I picked, again, like I told you guys, I was so drawn to it because it's, they had the gymnastics mom one, and so like a gymnastics mom saying. And the second one that I got, it says, "Living that gymnastics mom's life." I love this one as well. It's so cute because my daughter did gymnastics for the first time this year, and I was always trying to find a gymnastics shirt, and I couldn't find one that I liked, and I love this one. So this one was definitely one that I definitely had to pick when they asked me to pick 2 shirts to send to me. So I am going to get on the back, my daughter's name, like, Brianna's mom on it. So I can't wait to wear it for the upcoming, gymnastics season for next year. But I also asked them, whenever a company sends me a product, I always ask them if I could have a coupon code for you guys, because if you guys do love the product, I want you guys to be able to, get a deal on it, because you guys know my channel is all about saving money. So of course, if I'm going to share this with you guys and you like it, I want you to be able to have a deal on it. So right now, until August 31st, if you use the coupon code RIA10, they will give you 10% off of your total order on the shirts that you buy. So go on there, check out, the shirts that you want. There's different types of sayings. They even have sweaters on there, but I didn't get any sweaters right now because, it's hot here in Texas. So go check them out. They have so many different sayings. I mean, I was on that website for like so many minutes, so just looking, like scrolling through what I wanted. There's like so many different sayings, and the shirts are really, really comfortable. I do like them, and thank you again, Thread Tank, for sending me these shirts. I really do like them. I can't wait to use the gymnastic one in the upcoming season, new season for my daughter, when she is competing against other gymnasts. So with that being said, let me jump into the Walmart clothing. Now, The first thing that I did purchase at Walmart that I was loving because their prices were low were the jeans that they had, and those are the jeans that you see me wearing in this video with these t-shirts are the jeans that I did purchase at Walmart. Right now they have their high-waisted jeans, that I love high-waisted jeans because for one, I never want to bend over at work or at a store and then have my back hanging out. That's like a fear of mine. And so when you wear high-waisted jeans, it prevents it from ever showing like all, you know, your panties and everything like that. Plus right now, my little pudge is not where, you know, I have a pudge that's gotten bigger over the year and I want it to be a little bit smaller. And so the high-waisted jeans are perfect to cover that. So right now they have them for $9.97 and they come in so many different finishes. The one that I'm wearing with the t-shirts that I show you guys is the dark finish. And I love wearing the dark finishes with this shirt and also with the Gymnastics Mom shirt because I just feel like they pair beautiful together. So that one, the one that I'm wearing right now in the video is actually in a darker finish. Now the one that I'm holding right here is a lighter finish and I like this one as well. And as you can see, the high-waisted jeans comes with 4 buttons, which I like too because it kind of sucks you in and sucks all that stuff in whenever you have that pudge. I will say that these though, for some reason they run small, and oh, the brand that I like is the No Boundaries brand. That's the brand that I love getting stuff from Walmart. I will say for some reason I feel like these run small. I got a size 5 because usually I do wear a size 5, but these pants are actually tighter on me than normal, so I would say if I purchase a more good thing, I only purchase 2. I'm probably going to purchase a size 7, and I am trying to lose weight, so I'll eventually fit into these perfectly, but they were a little bit snug on me. So I will say try them on because I think that this, for some reason, they run small. But I love these jeans, and for $9.97 you cannot beat the price. I love the price on them. I usually don't spend no more than $25 on jeans. I know a lot of y'all spend a lot of money on jeans, but I am a mom on a budget. You know, I love to do everything on a budget, so I don't spend no more than $25 on a pair of jeans. And the fact that I got these jeans for $9.97 and they feel so comfortable is just great for me. So go check out the jeans that they have right now at Walmart. The next 2 things that I want to share with you guys are 2 dresses, and they also are from the No Boundaries brand, and I actually found them in the clearance rack, and I always check out that clearance rack because that clearance rack has great deals. So the dress by itself, normal price is $9.92, but they marked it down to $7. So I got them in 2 different patterns. So the first pattern is this, you know, this stripe pattern that I love. It's like blue and black. And what I love about this dress is that like with most of the outfits I'm going to show with you, I can wear it for work and also I can wear it for going out. The next pattern that I picked up, which was really good, and I love the black and white pattern, definitely for work, mostly because like I said, I work with pre-K kids and I like dark colors with when I go to work, because you know, if I get any type of sticky fingers or you know, any type of dirt or anything that has to do with my work, it's covered more with the dark colors. This one I can wear to work, but I don't know if I want to because it's lighter. But it has this floral print that's so pretty. It's the same style as the dress before, but it has this floral print to it, so pretty. And again, I can wear this one if I want to at work, and also when I go out on the weekend and at night. The next outfit I'm going to share with you guys, again, is from the No Boundaries brand, and it's a pantsuit. And I am like so into pantsuits lately and rompers. I'm just loving them. They're so comfortable. Whenever you have that excess pudge or excess kind of like fluff around you, something about rompers, they just make you look better. It just fills you out better. So this one is kind of in a black color pantsuit. It's a long pantsuit. I love this one as well. It's a spaghetti strap pantsuit, but again, I could wear it. I could put some things over it to wear for work, also for a date night, and also for the weekend. The last outfit I want to share with you guys is a romper as well, kind of a pantsuit romper. And this one is actually from Eye Candy. And it is kind of a, I usually don't go for this color, but my husband actually picked out this color. And it's a yellow, it's a yellow color with some flower print. And my God, guys, this fabric right here is so soft. I mean, it's really, really so soft. Like if you guys can find this one, I actually found this one online. But if you can find this one online on the stores, purchase this one. It is so soft, so comfy, but it looks so beautiful. Again, I could dress it up for work and I could dress it up for the nighttime. I just love the material on it, how soft it is, how versatile it is, how I can switch it up. And I forgot to tell you the price of the romper, the black one that I shared with you guys. It's actually $14.92, which is a good price for this, you know, pantsuit. And the one from Eye Candy, this one came out to, and I bought it online. For some reason, I can't find the the price on it. This came out to, I believe, I can't find the price on it, but I know that it was less than $15. So this one was either $15 or $10, but I know that it was less than $15. Everything that I bought here was less than $15 in the rompers and stuff like that. And you guys know in other stores there'll be way more. And these are so beautiful. I can't wait to wear them for spring and summer. So those are the clothes that I found at Walmart for spring and summer. I do have an upcoming trip that's coming up and I'm planning to wear these outfits. And I'm so excited to wear them. I love when I can buy beautiful things on a budget. And then every time when I wear things that I find from Walmart and I wear them to work, everybody always asks me where I get it from because they think it's like expensive clothes, and I'm like, it's at Walmart. There's so many things that you can buy from Walmart that you can dress up or wear by themselves, and they look just like the stuff that's in fashion right now. So don't overlook Walmart. Walmart does have some beautiful clothes on some affordable prices for you guys, so definitely go check them out. And also don't forget to go check out the website Thread Tanks to go check out if you want some tees for anything, like maybe you're a gymnastics mom or a baseball mom, soccer mom, and you want to get a specific type of shirt to wear at the, you know, to wear at the events or the games, or even if you just want some comfy t-shirts to wear as a mom, definitely go check them out. And if you do check them out, use my coupon code, and I will have a link down below in the description box of the website, also of the two t-shirts that I got. I will put direct links to the two t-shirts that I got so that you don't have to scroll and look for them, and also share my coupon code down there so if you guys need to be reminded of what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really did enjoy this video and you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up. It really does help on my channel so I'm able to bring more videos to you guys. And if this is the first time you've ever been here, do not forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you're notified on all the new videos that I put out. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other two videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.